Hey Harish, I got your email and I'm glad to hear you're looking for more efficient ways to learn Java. I'm always trying to think of more efficient ways to teach it. So um, I'm not sure as far as um, giving you a list of ticket machine properties. The best way I can think of to get the properties of those specific oops, those that specific class is to just like kind of, if you create one, if you want to get all the properties, there's a couple of ways to think about that. If we inspect it, then you can see the different fields that it has. So it has, this is one way to think of the properties it has. It has a price, a balance, and a total. And you can also look and see what methods it has, what methods are inherited from objects. So, but as far as properties, I mean, those are the basic properties that it has. It has methods and it has fields, and then you can take a look at the code. So I'm not sure. Any other way to share the properties of this particular class. Something you might be interested in looking at for a way of picking up the language that's not exploration based, because it seems like that's what you're interested in, is let's see if I can find it here. So well, there's this thing called knowledge tree, which is kind of cool. I mean, there are different online things, and I'll send you this link. This is adapt2.sys.pit.edu, and in this one you can go through the Java showcase, and it's kind of more of a programmed instruction approach. So you can go in and click on variables, and it'll step you through trying out variable declarations and so I guess so there's this kind of instruction piece where it's showing you these are different kinds of variable declarations, and then there's this quiz part where you go in and you say what the final value of result is and stuff like that, and it steps you through not just variables, but then there's what else do they have? Object classes, primitive data types, etc., etc. So there's a whole bunch of really good material there. There's also CodingBat. CodingBat.com. There's a Java one. Let's see. So if you say CodingBat.com/Java. There's a bunch of different exercises that you can do there, and again, these are more, you try them out, and it'll tell you right away whether you got the solution right or not. Let's see, this one is the parameter is true if it's a weekday. Okay, so weekday is true if it's a weekday, and vacation is true if we're on vacation, and we sleep in if it is not a weekday or if we're on vacation. And so we want to return true if we're supposed to sleep in. So I can say return if it's not a weekday, so not weekday, or we're on vacation, so or vacation, and then you hit go, and it tries running all those methods and tells you if it's right. So if you're thinking about, if this, either one of these, or if you find something else that looks more like the style that you would like to be learning this material in, let me know, and we'll work out a way to make that, your path to learning Java, because I want this to work. I want this course to work best for the way you learn. So let me know. Like I said, if either one of these looks good or if you find something else that you feel like is a better fit for you, let me know.